Number 7, this is called a complex fraction, and really this is two problems in one. First, we are going to work through this denominator completely separately, and that way we can organize our work. Then we'll come back to the original problem. So in order to do the denominator, we have a difference of squares here, and that's going to factor to r plus 2, r minus 2. Our numerator is still 5r, and we are adding 7 over r plus 2. You can see here that r plus 2 is included in both, but we need the denominators to be the same. So what we're going to do is multiply the right side here by r minus 2 over r minus 2. So since our denominators are now the same, we can go ahead and distribute this 7 and combine like terms. So 5r plus 7r is going to be 12r. And 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. And we can just go ahead and write the r plus 2, r minus 2. So this is the final factored expression just for our denominator. And let's go through and solve the rest of the problem now. I prefer to write these as sentences versus complex fractions because they just look really intimidating when they're stacked up like that. So what I'm going to do is write the numerator up here as 2 over r plus 2, and then I'm going to write the division symbol like this, and then write down our factored expression, our factored total denominator here. Okay. So this is going to become a keep, change, flip situation. We're going to keep the first term. We're going to change this to multiplication, and then we are going to flip this whole thing. So we're going to have 2 over r plus 2 times r plus 2, r minus 2 over 12r minus 14. Now we can cross simplify. So if you see any shared terms diagonally, we can go ahead and cross those out. Now let's take a look here. We do have a 2, and we have a 12 and a 14. So we can actually divide all of these terms by 2. That's going to make this top left a 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's going to make this a 6r, and it's going to be a 7 here. So in our numerator, we're going to have 1 times r minus 2, and in our denominator, we're going to have 6r minus 7. And that is our final answer.